It's incredibly hot, but unfortunately you don't have an air conditioner, just a fan. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a regular fan into a small air conditioner so your apartment gets much cooler. Because it's easier than you might think, and you definitely already have everything you need at home. First, of course, you need a fan. Now we'll need 2 PET bottles. These can vary a bit depending on the size of your fan. For my fan, I'm using 2 1.5 liter bottles. I'm cutting off the bottom of these bottles, as you can see here. To do this, I first go in with a utility knife and then cut it off cleanly. The cut doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Be sure to make sure that the 2 bottle caps, which should now be facing down, are tightly closed, because in the next step you'll need ice cubes. Now we need cable ties or tape. So I took a cable tie for each bottle, threaded it through the first hole of the bottle and went straight to my fan with it. Because these always have this nice grill at the front where we can thread it through. So I push the cable tie through here, then back into the second hole of the bottle and tighten the cable tie properly so that the bottles stay securely at the front of the fan on their own. Now I simply cut off the excess piece of the cable tie. Be sure to make sure that the 2 bottle caps, which should now be facing down, are tightly closed, because in the next step you'll need ice cubes. Now fill both bottles at the top with as many ice cubes as possible. What actually happens now is this. When you turn on your fan, it will circulate and move the air around as usual. But because we have the bottles with ice cubes attached to the front, the air will be noticeably cooler, and this can actually cool down your room. The best part is that you can simply open the bottle caps at the bottom at any time to let out the now melted ice and add new ice cubes from the top. And yes, of course, a real air conditioner is much better and can cool your room down much more. But if you don't have one, you can use this method to turn a fan into something that will make your apartment a bit cooler, which you'll definitely notice. And if you also want to know how even a hot water bottle can help you in the heat, then check out the video you now see on the screen. Click on it directly.